Hi, this is A Navin, roll number 49, and my topic is about what is cryptography. Index. Introduction. What is cryptography? Purpose of cryptography. Architectures of cryptography. Types of cryptography. Process of cryptography. Types of cryptography algorithms. Attacks of cryptography. Conclusion and references. Introduction. The internet or the global internet is the internationally connected network of computer networks with addresses that are administered by IANA, Internet Address and Naming Authority. There are many aspects to security and many applications ranging from secure commerce and payments to private communications and protecting passwords. One essential aspect for secure communication is that of cryptography. Here we see the what is cryptography. Cryptography derived its name from a Greek word called cryptos, which means hidden secrets. Cryptography is the practice and study of hiding information. It is the art or science of converting a plain intelligible data into an unintelligible data and again retransforming that message into its original form. It provides confidentiality, integrity, and accuracy. Purpose of cryptography. In this purpose of cryptography, there are authentication, privacy, confidentiality, integrity, non-repetition. Here, the first one is authentication. The process of providing one's identity, the primary forms of host-to-host authentication on the internet. Today are name-based or address-based, both of which are notoriously weak. Privacy confidentiality. Ensuring that no one can read the message except the intended receiver. Integrity. Assuring the receiver that the received message has not been altered in any way from the original. Non-repetition. A mechanism to prove that the sender really sent this message. Here we see the architecture of cryptography. And in this architecture of cryptography, we'll see the public key crypto, hash function, secret key crypto, public key crypto, and it acts between the allies and the receiver ones. That is digital signature, encrypted message, encrypted session key, and it will send to the Bob. The Bob will receive these messages what the ally sends. Types of cryptography. Secret key cryptography. Single key used to encrypt and decrypt. Key must be known by both parties. Assuming we live in a hostile environment, otherwise, why the need for cryptography? It may be hard to share a secret key. Public key cryptography. One of the keys allocated to each person is called the public key and is published in an open directory somewhere where anyone can easily look it up. For example, by email address. Each entity has two keys. One is private key and another is public key. Using keys. Private keys are used for decrypting. Public keys are used for encrypting. The plain text will convert into the ciphertext by encryption of the process, and the ciphertext is converted into the plain text by the decryption of the process. The conversion of plain text into ciphertext is also known as public key transformation, and the conversion of ciphertext to plain text is also known as private key transcription. Process of cryptography. Here the data is encrypted into the plain text and the data will be decrypted into the plain text using the both keys. One is public key and another is secret key. Types of cryptographic algorithms: plain text to ciphertext, ciphertext to plain text. Secret key is symmetric cryptography. SKS uses a single key for both inscription and decryption. Public key asymmetric cryptography PKC uses two keys, one for inscription and other for decryption. Hash function one-way cryptography. Hash function have no key since the plain text is not recoverable from the ciphertext. Public key or private key cryptography. Asymmetric key cryptography overcomes the key management problem by using different encryption and decryption key pairs. Having knowledge of one key, say the inscription key, is not sufficient enough to determine the other key, the decryption key. The mathematical relationship between the public key private key pair permits a general rule. Any message encrypted with one key of the pair can be successfully decrypted only with that key's counterpart. Hash functions. Hash function is a type of one-way function. These are fundamental for much of cryptography. A one-way function is a function that is easy to calculate but hard to invert. It is difficult to calculate the input to the function, give its output. The precise meanings of easy and hard can be specified mathematically with rare exceptions. Almost the entire field of public key cryptography rests on the existence of one-way functions. Attacks of cryptography. Ciphertext only attack. The only data available is a target ciphertext, known plaintext attack. A target ciphertext pairs of other ciphertext and plaintext, say previously broken or guessing. Attacks of cryptography. Chosen plaintext attacks. A target ciphertext can feed encryption algorithm with plaintext and obtain the matching ciphertext. Chosen ciphertext attack. A target ciphertext can feed decryption algorithm with ciphertext and obtain the matching plaintext ciphertext. The ciphertext only attacks the data available in a target ciphertext, known as plaintext attack. A target ciphertext or pairs of other ciphertext and plaintext, say previously broken or guessing. This is known as the attacks of cryptography. And chosen plaintext attacks. A cipher target ciphertext can feed encryption algorithm with plaintext and obtain the matching ciphertext. Chosen ciphertext attack. A target ciphertext can feed decryption algorithm with ciphertext and obtain the matching plaintext matching ciphertext. Conclusion. We use different types of algorithms to establish security services in different service mechanisms. We use either private key cryptography or public key cryptography according to requirement. If we want to send message quickly, we use private key algorithm, and if we want to send message secretly, we use public key algorithm. This is the conclusion about the cryptography. That's all about my topic. Thank you.